All right, number 9. We're given this triangle and we're asked to find side AB. So that's this side here, which I'm going to label C, because we're going to label each of these sides. So the side opposite angle A is going to be side little a, and the side opposite angle B is going to be side little b. The side opposite angle C is side little c. So we'll call this side little c, and that's what we're trying to find. Now, the reason that I labeled these for this problem is, for this one we're going to need to use the law of cosines. We'll use the law of cosines whenever we don't have a right triangle, which we don't here, and we have either we know all 3 of the sides and we're trying to find an angle, or we know 2 sides and the angle in between those 2 sides. Otherwise, we can use the law of sines. But for this one, since we know 2 sides and the angle in between, we're going to need to use the law of cosines. And the law of cosines is c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So far it looks like the Pythagorean theorem. Minus 2ab times the cosine of c. And now, since we've got all these sides labeled, we can just plug in those numbers and find side c. So we get c squared is equal to a squared, that's 15 squared, plus b squared, 28 squared, minus 2 times a, 15, times b, 28, times the cosine of angle C, which is 91 degrees. And let's plug that into our calculator. So 15 squared plus 28 squared minus 2 times 15 times 28 times the cosine of 91 is 1023.66. And now that's c squared. So to get c, we need to take the square root of that. So the square root of 1023.66 is 31.99, which rounds to just 32 centimeters. And so for number 9, that is D.